Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new and you know you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this GBPUSD, right? To actually add a bearish move for today, which is not actually what we predicted for. We never expected this bearish move, but guess what? It is not a surprise. We actually added this bearish move. Now take a look at this movement on this GBPUSD. You will know that we want to check this trend. What is the trend for this? This is clearly a bullish move. We can see this higher highs and higher lows. We can also see this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. The price is above our moving average. We all know that this is clearly in buy, right? Buy opportunity. So take a look at this movement that we had here. This is a bullish move that we had. A correction was made, right? A new highs was made on GBP to USD. Here comes the correction. And now a new highs. Take a look at this highs. You can see, guys, this is a massive highs. So I want you guys to also have it in mind that a good amount of correction will be made. So a good drop or massive drop on GBP to USD will drop, especially on our GBP. I think a drop is coming anytime very soon on our GBP. So I mean, if that drop comes on our GBP, then it should be able to show on our GBP USD. We just don't know, would it happen this week? Would it happen next week? But I believe within this week or next week, we'll be able to have that bearish move or a good amount of drop on GBP USD. So if you watch it previously, I actually highlighted this level on GBP USD. I said that we would want to see this price actually tap to this level before we get that drop on GBPUSD, and also have it in mind that there's every possibility that the price might not even get to this level, right? There's every possibility that the drop might have started now. Who knows? The drop might have started, but as time plays out, as price moves on, we are going to know if the drop has started or not. And we know if you know to know if the drop has started or not, we are going to get multiple confirmation. We see the trend over and over again. If you are seeing about 5 6 multiple break or structure downward, especially on the 4 hour time frame, then confirmation we are below it. The one prices go draws, we'll be able to confirm it as time goes on. So I'll be able to update you if you subscribe. I'll be able to update you if price has started. But as at now, we are kind of seeing like a drop. This could be like a pullback before our price will continue to come up to tap this level we just talked about, which is about a level of 1.2236. Above all, a good amount of drop on GBP USD is coming. So we just don't know when it will start. Possibly it has started now. Possibly this could be a pullback. The price will move up for the last time, tap this level which we just talked about, that price will reject from, and continue our bearish move. But now to see this drop, right? This drop, is it over? Well, I personally don't think it is over, because we can see our USD index or DXY itself. We would want to see it move up a bit, right? Let's see it. Let's see it. So I will show you some movement. So take a look at this USD index, right? So you will see that price on the daily time frame kind of dropped to the same level, right? So price went up. Price came close to the same level again. Guess what? It's giving us that bullish move. So as we will be having a bullish move on USD index or DXY, be expecting a bearish move on this GBP to USD. So this is one of the reasons why we actually opened and closed bullish today on USD index, and guess what? We actually had a bearish move on GBP USD. So once you take a look at this 4 hour time frame on USD index or DXY, you see that this price will very much likely or possibly push up, right? We want to see push up to tap this ice. Maybe then it can drop. So as we'll be having this bullish move, we should be expecting a bearish move on this GBP USD. So I still expect a bullish move to play out. And if to confirm if this bullish move is over, we would want to take a look at this Fibonacci retracement too. We all know where retracement will very much likely happen to. So we will start it from here, this close here. So this is the ice. Okay, this is it, right? So like I said, would be still be expecting a further bearish move on GBP USD. So let's see if this price will drop to a level of 23.6 on GBP USD before it continues the bullish move. And if price can break below, then and give us a pullback, then it drops again on GBP USD. Then it is a confirmation that GBP USD is now on a bearish move. We have to sell. But before we actually get into that, I'm going to update you guys as the price plays out. But as at now, we want to see further drop to this 23.6, which I possibly think would happen. So let's see it will actually drop to this level of 23.6 on GBP USD. That should take us to the 4 hour time frame. So now take a look at this 4 hour time frame. You see that price has reacted to this level multiple times. You saw that price has reacted here. Once price came to this level, we saw a pullback downward before it went up. Once it broke above it, we had a pullback to test the level, right? The price, went up, came again, tested this level. Price went up again, drop again, test this level. So it makes sense if this price can actually come again to test this level before it continues in bullish move or bearish move. So GBPUSD, we still have some bearish move to be made. I think let's see from here to this level, we should be able to make about 150 pips. So if you can grab about 100 pips bearish move on GBPUSD, that is still not bad. It is okay, right? And when you take a look at this movement on the 4 hour time frame, let me see it here. So take a look at this on this 4 hour time frame. You see that this price is below our moving average. So still a confirmation of this is bearish. So you can possibly wait for a pullback before you enter to short this trade downward to this level on this GBP on 4 hour time frame. So we can take a look at this as a drop on GBP to USD. We would now consider this as a correction. Here is a drop that broke this previous lows. So a confirmation is when this price give us a pullback and it's giving us a drop. Then you can enter to short this GBP Do not just short it, because once the pullback comes, possibly might take out a trade. It may possibly might take out a stop loss, except you have a very wide stop loss, then you might get away with it. If not, it might take it out. So just wait for a pullback to play out. Once the pullback plays out, then you can continue to short this GBP down to this level, which is a level of 23.6 percentage on Fibonacci. And that is it. Let's see what this 1 hour time frame says. So price has dropped massively. We saw price has actually broken this level where price was supposed to react to. So price reacted here. So price to drop to this level. Price should have come to this level and push up, right? At this level. And guess what? Price broke it. So another confirmation that this GBPUSD is on a bearish move. So we want to see it go bearish to a level of 23.6 percentage on Fibonacci.